ETF Friday, truly the best day of the week. And this week, Bloomberg's Emily Graffeo has been looking at new research by Bloomberg Intelligence about the truly confusing dichotomy of trends in the ETF market right now. Emily, what is going on?
So we'll start with performance and the juxtaposition there. This is new research from Bloomberg Intelligence. The ratio of ETFs with positive versus negative returns is at an all-time high when you look at the last 12 months. So over the last 12 months, 94% of ETFs have posted a positive return, so something above zero. But because the S&P 500 is up nearly 25% over that time period, a record low number of funds is actually beating the index. So funds are up, but they're not outperforming. And why is that? I think it's less an ETF story and more just about, like you were talking about with your prior guest, the equity market concentration in big tech. If you don't have NVIDIA, it's hard to beat the S&P 500 right now.
Yeah, it's just a brutal period for those active managers who want to be long something other than NVIDIA. It's tough. But let's talk about something that you and I actually talk about all the time, and that's the fact that you have all of these new ETFs coming to market, but at the same time, you also have record fund closures as well.
It seems like right now, it's easier than ever to launch an ETF, but it's harder than ever to succeed. I know, Katie, we talk about this a lot, but after 2019, there were regulations known in the industry as the ETF rule that essentially made it a lot easier for asset managers to launch new ETFs. And since then, you can see on that chart, we have seen nearly a record new listing. So in the last 12 months, 600 new ETFs, but 260 ETFs have closed as the market is getting more competitive. People are essentially launching, 12 different ETFs that all track, one single stock, levered NVIDIA, and then it doesn't get enough assets and they have to close it. But because it's so easy to just launch another one, they can just try again. And so that's why we're seeing all of these launches.